Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can turn off explicit content in the Spotify desktop application in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, for the sake of this tutorial, let me launch the Spotify desktop app. You will need to be logged in, and after that click into your profile icon in the top right to access your settings. So let me do that. Now let me show you where you can find that feature. So here in your settings you will need to scroll down a bit. And here under explicit content, switch it off to the right. And it will most likely be enabled on default if you use the Spotify app for the first time. So that's it. You can switch it on or off here. And as you can see, guys, the filtering the filtering to be applied and to be 100% updated may take some time according to this disclaimer here. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.